Hi, I'm John Sowash, and I want to introduce you to some of the awesome products that Google has created. We all know that Google has a search engine, but have you ever noticed this little link up at the top of their search page? One that says More. If you click on this one and then go to Even More, you'll find a list of all kinds of useful resources, many of which have excellent uses in the classroom. One of the best parts is that all of these are free. In this series of podcasts, I'm going to introduce you to some of the Google products that can help you to create engaging lessons for students of all ages. Here are just a few of the things that we'll be exploring. Have a specific topic that you're trying to stay up to date on. Create your own Google alert to receive an email notification whenever your specified search term appears on the web. Are you frustrated by the poor web resources on which your students base their research? Use the custom search feature that Google just added to create your own customized search engine that only searches the web pages that you specify. You can gather all of your favorite web resources on one page by creating your own iGoogle page. Once you do this, you can view news headlines, your calendar, and a multitude of other features all at the same time. I'll show you what mine looks like. This is one of my favorite features of Google. This is my iGoogle page. I have news headlines, additional search engines. I have Twitter, links to blogs of my friends, just a ton of different things that you can add all on one screen that you can quickly view. You can also have your students do this to help them keep track of due dates for assignments, calendars, and current events. Have your students explore the Earth using the 3D Google Earth program. This program, which must be downloaded, gives amazing 3D views of the Earth and allows you to create custom map layers. You can use these layers to create a literary journey or to map out important historical events, such as those in the Civil War or World War II. You can add in pictures and video that are related to these events. Another really useful feature that Google has added is the calendar. And you can use this calendar to help your students keep track of upcoming due dates, assignments, and big projects. It helps families keep track of field trips, report cards, and parent-teacher conferences. And you can embed this calendar on essentially any web page. You can put it on your class wiki or your class page for families to keep track of. It's also very useful for teachers and then keep track of grant deadlines, staff meetings, appointments, IEP meetings as well. Let me show you what my calendar looks like just to give you an idea of how much information you can put into it. This is my calendar, and on the left side here you have multiple calendars which you can turn on and off depending on what you want to see at a certain time. So this is my family calendar as well as my school calendar. You can see that's my school calendar as well as US holidays. So this is a really powerful tool that has a lot of different applications to it. The last Google feature I'd like to highlight is Google Docs. This is one of the most advanced features of Google. It takes a little bit of work to get it set up, but it really can be a very powerful tool. Docs has 4 programs available, a spreadsheet program, a presentation program, a word processing program, and a forms program. And they work very similar to Microsoft Office, except that they're free and they are all online. And you can use this Office suite to teach your students the power of collaboration as they create and edit documents together and then submit them via email or by sharing them. A lot of useful features here, and it's still being developed, so this is a really exciting program. So we've highlighted a few of the software programs and tools that Google is offering in addition to their search engine. There are several others that I would really like to share and teach you how to use. So please check back again. Our first podcast will be coming soon, and we'll be looking at each of the things that I've highlighted in this podcast as well as many others. Stay tuned for the first episode.